start. That's the pointer. 34689. That's 34689. No way! No way!
There's no way!
I saw Dennis start.
Chase that now. Chase that now.
I can't.
I'm not. I have to chase that down.
She's gone. She's gone.
Have to chase that
To our shortcut. Use our shortcut.
No, she's gonna go into the
No, she went that way. She went that way.
She's gonna go in the coconut.
Oh, where?
Well, so she goes on that corner. I'm not even There's
Where?
no way I have just seen them start at some point too.
I saw that one too. Oh, that's lucky enough for me. But seeing these.
And the Dennis start.
What, all in one day?
No. You've literally just seen a Dennis start.
No, I can't believe it. There's no way I just saw her. Bus and train race! Bus and train race! Look! They're literally racing! 48011 and a class of 166 166206 and 48011 were racing. They were racing each other, bus and train were. We must go!
Where's that Dennis?
Hello 37474 YX68 UUB. What? She's flying round the corner. That's what she did yesterday, isn't it?
Oh,
There she is.
Two buses arriving at the same time.
37474, do not come round the corner. I dare you not to. What the? What the heck? 37474 and 37116 all at once. Wait, she wasn't in at Swift today, was she?
She was.
Oh, rain's opening up for them. So, she's going in first, 37474. And... oh, she's going round. 37116 is reversing in. Hey? Imagine the third one also arrived. That'd be chaos, wouldn't it? What they both... look at that guy. I stay back, Jake. Wait, there are now 5 buses here. Well, she's just about finished. And now she's reversing. How much chaos is this, mate? 37474, 36206 and 36238 and 37116 and 47091. What's this bus chaos? Oh, she's messed up. Beep beep. Look at that dust. No wonder all the buses are dirty. Careful, mate.
Wait, what do they need to be careful of?
Nearly reversed into the post. So we've got 36238, 36206, 37474 and 37116 and we've got 47091. I need to head back.
No.
What the? And I'm lucky enough to catch it on camera.
Oh, I catch it every night. They always do that.
What the?
They always seem to like do the murmuration thingy.
What? They're everywhere.
Starlings do it. My gosh.
What?
Not as good as starlings do.
There she is. No way. No, come back. She'll need her space there. Sorry, I'm not in service. 36206 SB6DYW. Ah. 36206 SB6DYW. Yeah. Yeah. Can we come and have a look, please?
No, I'm coming to bus.
Oh. Can we at least book our heads in and get a photo of it? I know him. He lets me on lots of buses. You've got a nice red. So is that a natural E200 engine, is it?
Oh no, that's good.
What if his reverse lights are out? She looks bright though, doesn't she? She looks like the old. Something off with her number though. Beep, 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 beep. Wait for it. Come on, stop that. Triple shot. There she is, 36206 arriving. 36238's the other beach school, E200 by the way. And that Octa Solo's 47091. She's parked a bit back. She's parked too far back.